And now welcome to Guest Host Chef's Kitchen.
वेलकम शेफ, थैंक यू. आज कौन सा डिश? हर वक्त हम ऐसा ही पूछते हैं, नया डिश.
Ingredients तरी म्हाका अविनाश 2-3 ingredients अशे सारखे नवीनूच दिसतात. This is new, this is new, this is new, this is also new.
We'll do one thing, I'll just do monitor and I'll tell you what to do. You people please take care of this. Very easy to make it out.
Okay.
Very easy to make it out. It's a kind of kebab, okay, but not the Indian one, which is Arabic one, which will not go to the barbecue or tandoor. Okay, you have to just sear it for a longer time, okay, on a slow flame. Okay, you can even do deep fat fry, but for a slow flame and has to be cooked properly. चाहे तो कर सकते हैं, आप कुक करो, मैं देखता रहूँ.
No, I don't want to take risk with my viewers. So, क्या है ये? क्या है?
No problem. I'll tell you what is it. This is onion, chop onion, chili oil, the garlic, oil, salt. It's a bulgur wheat. जो दलिया कहते हैं इंडिया में इसको बुलगुर व्हीट कहते हैं अरबिक में. Okay. Yeah. I have made one time hummus. Okay, this is the hummus which will go as an accompaniment with the kebab. Okay, and this is lamb mince. Okay, which is mixed with. I just showed you the ingredients. This garlic and this one ginger, which is garlic and the onion. Which is already I have mixed it with the mince. It's a lamb mince. Kibbe. The dish name is kibbe.
Kibbe.
K-I-B-B-E. Kibbe.
Kibbe.
Yeah. There's no.
Okay. I think Avinash bite it at the first time they're using that.
Yeah. First
So
time.
it would be a real treat for our viewers.
Yeah. So mostly kibbe made it with the beef or a lamb. Because Arabic is very easy to find out the lamb and the beef. Though you don't find the very good leafy vegetable over there. So I'll prefer to make a kibbe, which is very, very good. You don't require, first of all, the housewife doesn't require any kind of barbecue. Okay, doesn't require a tandoor, doesn't require an oven, doesn't require a microwave for it. Okay, you can use a microwave to just reheat it up and then go for it.
Let's start?
Yeah, we'll start it, no problem. There's already mixed with bulgur wheat. When you are trying to mix it with the bulgur wheat and the lamb mince or the beef mince, soak the bulgur wheat in hot water, very hot water, or you can even put it in the hot water and give one vessel on the pressure cooker. Okay, give one whistle and take it out. So it will be perfectly cooked. Okay, which can be used as a binding agent also. The starch which is there in it, which will help you to bind the kebabs. Okay, so you don't require to add any kind of refined flour, you don't require to add egg in it, you don't require to add gelatin to bind it, nothing. So bulgur wheat is gonna give you the taste. You will get the starch out of it when you eat it. You get the binding agent also with the starch which is there with it. Okay, so soak it with the hot water. Okay, the hot water, if it is excess one, take it out. It should be, you should not be have the excess of water in the kebab. Okay, mix it with and try to do 2 to 3 times mincing on the mixer.
Okay.
If you have a mincer, household small mincer, you get it. Now you take some oil in it on the pan, heat up the range.
Before you proceed, I have a question. You said this acts as a binding agent.
Yeah.
So can we use this for some other kebabs what we make?
Yeah, yes,
like,
yes.
In Goa, you'll get more of fish kebabs.
Fish, when you make the fish cakes or fish, mince for kebabs and all, you can use it. But this can penetrate the original taste with the fish. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll prefer to don't go for this bulgur wheat when you are making the fish kebabs and all the things.
Okay.
Better you go for some little bit of rice flour, which will give you the nice crispiness also, as well as the which will not dominate the fish flavor, and even though the spicy flavor, which is spices which you are going to use it for the fish, it will be helpful for you. We'll add some oil in it. Okay. Now we'll make a kibbe with now I showed you with the spoon. The people cannot be, there's some find it difficult. So you can do it with the hand also, which is very easy. You just need to give a shape with and turn it off.
I think it has got a nice color.
Yeah, it's a little bit brownish, but not the little bit darker brownish color, and it's done. Okay, so we'll do the presentation now.
Yes.
So I'll first of all I'll put the accompaniment, which is the hummus gonna be the dip for. I'll put a little of oil on top. Now the kibbes. These are the kibbes are ready for serve.
Avinash, it looks very tempting. Not for you, for me. So I think you'll have a look at the recap by the time I taste it.
किब्बे करपा खातीर तुमकां लागतले कानो, चिली ऑयल, लसूण, मीठ, गव्हाचो रवो आनी लॅम मिन्स. गव्हाचो रवो पयलीं 1 वर गरम उदकान भिजत दवरपाचो. मागीर लॅम मिन्स घेवन कानो, चिली ऑयल, लसूण, मीठ आनी भिजयल्लो गव्हाचो रवो करून मिक्स करून घेवपाचें. ताचे ल्हान क्रोकेट्स करून तेलान भाजून घेवपाचे. किब्बे तयार.
So this was our yet another journey in search of good food and only good food.
तुमकां हे आमचे पुरून काय ते जो आम्ही बाजार गेलो तो कसो आसलो ते आमकां कळोवपाक विसरो नाकात.
You can contact us at features@prudentmedia.in.
आता तुमकां सगळ्यांक बाय बाय.
Bite, eat and stay connected with us.
आणि एक काम करात, दर शुक्रारा सांजे 7:30 वरांचेर आणि 9:30 वरांचेर बायट इट प्रोग्राम मात्र पळोवपाक विसरो नाकात.
आयचो बायट इट चुकला आसत जाल्यार लॉग इन टू www.prudentmedia.in. Keep watching Prudent. So this was our yet another journey in
This program brought to you by Guesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy. Guesto, cook and taste with a difference.